Omnilogin is a comprehensive anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts at scale. If you are selling on eBay, managing multiple brands, multiple stores, or working in a team with operations and customer service staff, this is one of the easiest ways to organize your work more clearly, reduce errors, and save a lot of time every day. In this video, I will show you how to create profiles to manage eBay accounts in bulk using Omnilogin. First, choose a group to store your profiles. Next, click the New Profile button. After a window pops up, select Add. Then, users need to fill in all the information for the profile they want to create, such as the name, can be left blank to auto-randomize, and select the group to save the profile and proxy. For eBay accounts, using the right proxy is very important. By default, each profile in Omnilogin already acts as an independent computer. However, when a proxy is added, that profile will use a separate network connection, IP, enhancing the security and anonymity of your account. We recommend using residential proxies to minimize the risk of suspension. In the proxy section, select Custom, then choose your proxy type and paste the proxy into the proxy host field. The remaining proxy information will be filled automatically. Next, select the browser kernel, operating system, and browser. In the Advanced Settings section, you don't need to change anything. Keeping the default settings is the best way. Finally, click OK to complete the profile creation process. I will create two profiles with two different proxies similar to what I just showed you. Once the profiles are ready, I will log into 3 different eBay accounts on the 3 profiles we just created. When running a profile, Omnilogin will open a separate workspace. In terms of experience, it is like a normal Chrome window, but all of its session data is separated from other windows. For example, one profile for the US market, one for the Japanese market, and one for the European market. If working in a team, you can also assign profiles to each staff member to make the handover process clearer and limit operational errors. The biggest advantage of this approach is that you no longer have to constantly log out and then log back in between accounts. Everything is separated from the start, so you save a lot of time, reduce operational confusion, and easily standardize the process when expanding the number of shops or staff. After logging in, you can perform your desired tasks, for example, using the Windows Multi-Control, new feature to control multiple profiles at the same time. With Omnilogin, eBay management becomes much more intuitive, easy to organize, easy to scale, easy to train the team, and easy to control daily work. Instead of handling everything in a single browser and confusing yourself, you can turn each profile into a separate workspace for each account or department. Discover more tips and advanced features on our website and YouTube channel to start running multiple accounts today.